dogs can find pot and bombs, so I'm sure they can find water.
Why not?
I mean, why don't we let the dog do it? Dogs can find pot and bombs, can't they?
Is that what he said? I missed that.
Well, how'd they get all rich and fancy all of a sudden?
So, you want to tell me what
She's
happened?
falling asleep as you're pounding her on the belly.
A couple of guys jumped Mark Silver, but they didn't jump you.
No.
I had a boy on my table today. I don't know, maybe a year younger than you. He had a bad heart. He got real hairy real fast. Everybody's looking at your old